A huge thanks to my friend Dinesh Chasdev for letting me review the Casio Duro Marlin MDB106. So stay tuned to the channel. I have provided all his respective links here, so you can message him, you can find what he has in stock for sale, and he also provides a very professional service for all your vintage watches. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Well, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to review a legendary watch from the house of Casio, and this is none other than the Casio Duro MDB106-1. So this is the watch here, this is the outer packaging. So as you know that Casio Duro MDB is one of the legendary quartz based diver watch. So let's not waste any more time and go ahead with the review. So let us simply unbox the watch. The outer cover, this one is the packaging, and here is the watch itself. So let me just keep the boxes aside. I will now show you the watch. I will remove this plastic cover. This is the Casio Duro 3 hands analog anti-reverse rotating bezel date display 200 meter water resistant. This is something really cool. So let me simply take off the watch from the nice standoff here. Let's see how it looks. I will take up the plastic packaging, the plastic cover on the crystal, for the sake of clarity to all my friends who want to see the watch. Now this Casio Duro MDB106-1 AVCF, this is a dive watch and an ultimate tool watch. It is reliable, legible and equipped with rotating bezel, screw down crown and 200 meter of water resistant, as it is very evitable from the look of the watch in itself. This watch has been developed on similar lines of Rolex Submariner. The Casio Duro MDB106 is built like a good dive watch. For just a price of USD 70 or lower, it provides more for the value of money. Now, as we know about the Casio, it was founded by Tadai Casio in 1946 and now have become an outstanding watch manufacturer. Their signature timepieces are the Casio F91W, the legendary one as you know, the DW5600, the Rangeman, the GA2100 Casio Oak and the others. But one watch, which is this one, is the Casio Duro for its simplicity and simple analog quartz function, and being a diver watch in the segment of Casio, an analog diver watch. Now let us come to the dial of the watch. The Casio Duro has a black reflective sunburst dial with simple arrangement of round indices as you can see, and I think the exceptions are the tapered one at 12 o'clock, the rectangle ones at 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock here, with a simple date window at 3 o'clock, and it looks really good. The simplicity of the watch in the entirety is really something that people look for, and I think that the Casio has provided this one with a very nice and simple look, and I really like it. This is something cool. Now, signifying a professional diver's watch look, the water resistant of 200 meter has been mentioned here, and it is mentioned at 6 o'clock, the Casio logo at 12 o'clock and upper side here. But what is really cool is the signature marlin fish logo, which is printed just above the water resistant 200 meters mentions here. So this is something that makes Casio Duro the famous Casio Marlin as well. It is also called Casio Marlin because of the marlin fish logo here, which is really cool. It gives the Casio Marlin namesake. The hands here are our hand is the broad arrow one. The second hand is the contrasting red one, a very good lumed arrowhead, and the minute hand is the broadsword kind of hand with white lume, a very white gentle lume, which is really good and I really like it. The polish on the hands contrasts with the polish on the case at the side, and if you also see, the case has this brushed finish here, and there is the dual tone finishing of the casing gives it really a good look, which I really like. And though I say that the lume is not brighter than the comparable diving watch with the same size and finishing from the Seiko or any other expensive brand, definitely not bright, but it is really very long lasting for the price point that you are paying. So this is something that really gives it a bang for buck, and I really like how the overall watch has been made and overall details has been given here. So this is something really cool. Now let us go to the case back. Now this is something really interesting than the dial itself. The case back mentions here water resistant 20 bar, the Marlin fish logo which is engraved here with Casio Japan movement, cased in China, though entire assembly has been done in Japan I think. It is mentioned the 2784. The 2784 is the quartz module movement that I will come to later. The model MDB106 stainless steel case back, and as evident with all the divers, Swiss divers and other diving watches, this also has a very hefty screw down type of case back, and look how hefty this is. Let's go to the crown now. The crown here is a standard screw down type crown with two bars or two lugs, protruding lugs, which acts as a crown protector here to avoid any kind of impact onto the crown whenever you are diving or whenever doing any field work. So the crown comes out simply like this, like any other diving watch, and the quartz movement, it is a hackable one. So as soon as you try to change the time, the seconds hand stop, which gives it a hacking function as well. So you just simply push the crown back in and the seconds hand start again, and you simply screw back the crown properly by matching the threads, and here it goes inside and it sits snug fit to provide it the required water resistance. Let me tell you friends, the price may be cheap, but this watch is not cheap. This is really hefty, really bulky, and I think this is something that you do not get with any other brands at sub $70 price, which is really something to have in your collection with such a simplicity, such a beauty. This is really good. Now let us go to the movement of the watch. The Marlin Duro is powered with the quartz module, as it is mentioned here, 2784, as you can see. Now let me tell you, even if somebody mentions it as a stock movement, but this is a very accurate quartz movement, the accuracy of which is comparable with the Citizen Eco Drive watches. And as it has been mentioned in many places over the internet blogs, that the accuracy is plus minus 1 to 2 seconds per week, which is very remarkable. This is really something for the price that you are paying. Now the dimension on these watches, on these Duro watches, is I think the case dia is somewhere around 44 mm, but it sits small on wrist because the overall smaller dial appearances because of this bezel here. The overall case dia may be 44, but the overall dial area is really small, and it makes this size really not as big as you will see in any other 44 mm watch. The overall appearance is really small. I think that this is very slightly bigger than the Seiko SKX 007, as you have seen in my previous review. Now the thickness on this watch is 12.1 mm, which is also okay. I think that not too much of a thickness, if you can see. The polish on the case, I have already said that it's a dual tone. This is a brushed finish here on the lugs and polished finish here on the sides, as you can see. Now the lug width here is 22 mm, and due to the simplicity of watch, let me tell you that this watch can be a strap monster. You can try all those NATOs, Zulus and all those canvas straps here to give it a really field and tactical kind of feeling, apart from the company supplied resin band for dive specific kind of thing. So if you are not a diver, then you can simply slip on a NATO or a khaki canvas two-piece strap and give it a cool tactical look. So this is really nice. So let us come to the crystal here. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, that the entire case is a stainless steel. Now it has the stainless steel case back also, and now the crystal here is a mineral crystal, but I don't think there is any anti-reflective coating here. No, I don't think so. There is not any anti-reflective coating here. But see the overall watch finishing, really good for $70. I mean, definitely I have been given this watch by my friend, and I really think that this is a really very nice piece that he is supplying to other buyers. So I will give more details about my friend at the end of the video. Just stick to the video. Now let us go to the bezel. The bezel has been graduated according to, I think, the dive timing, or from 0 to 15 it has been graduated accordingly, and the bezel grip is really comfortable, and it is really a nice bezel. I think very nice and hard click with no backlash kind of thing here, no play, and it really goes good alongside if you keep it going just like this. The grip is good, but the bezel is really strong and tight, so you will need definitely some effort. It doesn't slip, it has no play, nothing. So it is really cool. So when the bezel was at this zero position, you see there is a lume dot on the bezel, which again gives a very nice beautifying effect, something that all other type watches also have. And I am very impressed with the Casio Duro MDB 106. And now I wonder why Bill Gates wears one. Bang for the buck. And definitely he is one of the most successful businessmen. So I really like his choice. Definitely. So if you want to buy this watch, my friend Dinesh Sachdev from Time World Chennai has been supplying these watches. He gets it imported here, and then he supplies to everyone. So I will definitely provide his link in the video below, so you can definitely go and check his Instagram. You can definitely walk into his shop in Chennai, that is Time World in Blacker Street, Chennai. So you can definitely go there. I will provide his mobile number also if you want to connect to him on WhatsApp. And not only he supplies these watches, but he can also repair and service your all other vintage watches, and such a great person with thorough knowledge of all the watches, all the old watches, vintage one, all the movements, all the brands, supplies and everything. So definitely get in touch with him. I hope he can hook you up with a Casio Duro Marlin. So this is Adhiraj Ghosh. Stay tuned on my YouTube channel. More videos will be coming. Do like, share and subscribe, and have a nice one. Bye.